subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Realme has launched its new 5G-enabled phone in Taiwan called Realme 11, with quiet unique rear camera module. Now let's see the specifications of this smartphone. The Realme 11 5G features a tall 6.72-inch Full HD Plus display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate, and up to 680 nits of peak brightness support. The phone comes powered by latest MediaTek Dimensity 6100 Plus chipset, paired with Mali G57MC2 GPU. The smartphone packs with 8GB of RAM, that can be extended up to another 8GB by using internal storage, and it has 256GB of onboard storage, which is expandable up to 2TB via dedicated microSD card slot. In terms of optics, the Realme 11 5G sports a dual camera setup under circular ring at the top left corner, that houses a 108-megapixel main camera, with f1.75 aperture, and it has Samsung's ISO Cell HM6 sensor, and there is 2-megapixel portrait lens, with f2.4 aperture. For selfies it has 16-megapixel camera under the hole punch cutout at the top center, with f2.45 aperture. The device comes equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 67-watt SuperVOOC fast charging support, and it runs on Android 13, based on Realme UI 4.0 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, NFC, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 165.7 by 76 by 8.1mm, and it weighs around 190 grams. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Realme 11 5G has been priced in Taiwan at 8,990 new Taiwanese dollar. And it is now available for purchase in the country in Magic Night Black and Sunrise Gold color options. So, what do you guys think of this Realme 11 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below. And stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.